Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials. And in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to download the Battlefield 6 open beta. And basically, in order to install and download the Battlefield 6 open beta on PS5, what you can do is make your way over to Google or a browser of your choice, let's just say on your laptop or computer. Anyways, once you do, make your way over to this link right here, or you could just go into a new browser, just type in Battlefield 6 open beta. Anyways, once you type that in, you should see this link right here, download Battlefield 6 open beta, and it will take you to this page. Now, once you see the $0.00, you can go ahead and select platform, and then you can go ahead and choose PlayStation from here. From here, it will tell you to continue to PlayStation Store, so go ahead and just log in with your account, and then you will be able to see it when you actually go ahead and open up your PS5. So that is basically it. Once you add it to your library, make your way over to the PlayStation Store, and then go ahead and just install it from there. Now that is it for the video. That is very simple and how to download it. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.